Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by meeting essentials. Be level 50 or higher, equip a reliable fruit or hacky, and carry healing items. Once done, join a low-latency server so actions register cleanly. Move directly to the attack hub spawn and wait for a clear space. This reduces lag and prevents accidental pulls. You should face the hub center, equip your main ability, and bind quick-use items. Make sure to keep stamina management in mind so you won't be interrupted mid-rotation. You now execute the hub workflow. Initiate a short, high-damage combo and cancel the final cast to preserve mobility. Once you land a burst, immediately swap to your next ability to maintain pressure. Be intentional with timing. Canceling animations lets you chain more attacks per minute, increasing clear speed. Rotate targets quickly, spend about 1 second on each dummy or enemy, so the hub stays active and you maximize DPS. Keep checking your cooldowns and reposition as needed. You finish by using an area finisher to secure remaining targets and collect rewards. After the run, review your cooldown usage and adjust any binds that felt awkward. If you encounter lag, first lower graphics, close background apps, and rejoin the server. This usually fixes timing errors. If an ability fails, relog and test combos on a dummy before re-entering the hub. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Recording a short clip helps identify missed cancels or latency spikes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.